Hi everyone. Today we present you with our weekly technical insights on Civil 3D. If you haven't watched the previous weekly technical insight video on Civil 3D, I suggest you watch it first before continuing to it. Capricorn Technology Win Zero company and partner of choice for AC industry is the one of the biggest platinum partner of Autodesk and Bentley, along with authorized training centers. We have 300 plus dedicated team members with clientele over 20,000 in AC and associate industries. Let me introduce myself. My name is Shubham Vani, Solution Specialist 730 at Capricorn Technologies, New Delhi. We will be presenting our weekly technical insights. The focus of particular insights is on the method of that can be enhanced your daily activities while working with 730 software. With a particular emphasis on boosting productivity. The some of the tips provide involves automating route line tasks as well as discovering new application for standard function, exploring lesser known features, and even using some unlisted commands. Rather than simplifying presenting a new features by feature breakdown, will be provide an example of real world and problem solving scenarios that can be demonstrate why these techniques are valuable. These approaches will enable you to fully understand the re reasoning behind each tips, and in addition to learning how to implement it. In this technical insights, we will be showcasing how to add layer tool manager in quick access toolbar for you can also change the layer styles as well. Next will be the how to add menu bar into a ribbon bar. So for quick access for any features, we'll be proposing alignment, profile, grading, feature line as well. So in that order to next, how to use of selection cycling for tracking an alignment as well as any object. We will be focusing on selection cycle command. So let's start with Civil 3D basic. So in this Civil 3D interface, we have the option of layer manager that can be added into the our here to top of the icon. So we need to right click on that manager toolbox and here to option add to quick access toolbar. So I'm clicking that. So in order to we can see the layer manager or layer section will be added in here. So we do not need to go to in home and we'll be changing a layer styles from here as well. So whenever we in modify as well as analyze, we can also quick access to layer manager from here as well. So moving to the next, we uh, focusing menu bar. In that menu bar, we have option to here. So we'll be drag down here and the to show menu bar option. We're clicking on that. So here bar will be added to menu. Will be adding a survey point as well from here also point as well surface as well lines, parcel, grading, alignment as well from here also. Whenever we will be focusing in view and in that contextual toolbar, we'll be adding alignment as well from menu bar and also. So moving to the next, we are focusing a cycle um, selection cycle command. So we'll be typing here selection cycle, selection cycle. So selection cycle. Otherwise, you have to from here as well. You can click here selection cycling and also access that selection cycle. Otherwise, you can type here command selection cycling, enter, and here to as a by default is number here is 0. So you can type here 2 that will be beneficial for selection cycle as well. So the main focusing is the we have a corridor as well. So I want to select an alignment. Here is the alignment, but I can't select that as well. So we have to option that with selecting a corridor. So here option two, we need to select corridor as well as alignment. So we need to select an alignment. So I will be selecting alignment that can be selected as well by using selection cycle command. Otherwise, we have also when focusing a profile as well, we can select the profile here and we need to select as well one alignment as well. So here is the selection cycle T. So that's it. I hope you guys had insightful session. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel for all updates. We will be delighted to hearing from you. Do reach out us for any suggestions, query, or topic you want to be discussed. See you next week. Thanks and take care.